Hello, viewers. Good evening. Once again, this is Ritubana Datta. I wish ki you have to watch my last 4 videos very well. If you don't watch, no problem. Please watch my video and please give me your valuable comments. For in my first video to my last day's video, I was discussing regarding the nursery syllabus. If you didn't see my video, you can watch my first 3 videos that I have discussed regarding the lines, standing lines, slanting lines, all the lines I have discussed thoroughly. Today again I am telling you about the lines, because this is very important. If any toddlers, they can, if you give the toddlers first time to tell them write the letters, write alphabets, they can't do. So you have to do, you have to do first, you have to give the idea about the lines. This is the lines. If you give the proper idea to the toddlers, they can easily write the alphabets. This is the practice worksheet. What I have written: go over the slanting line and color the picture. My last video I have already told the what is the slanting line. See, here I have drawn one picture. This is the sky and this is the rain. The picture is showing that rain is falling down from the sky to the house. So what you have to do, you write the, draw one picture and give the kids, give to your kids to tell them to slant, to tell them to trace this line, and after that you tell them to color this one. So this is the this is the good for them. So if you tell them to color, they can easily do it, right? And during the color, they can easily do this slanting line also. The next one, this is also another tracing picture. What is it? One is, first is the slanting line, right? The second one is circle. You have to give this type of worksheet by pencil or by pen, and then you tell them to trace this one. If you give them each and every day one page, they can easily do this one. After that, they have the ability to write the letters. They don't have any problem after that. If you give them idea about this all lines, see, this is the slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left curve, inside curve, outside curve, then this one. Did you see properly? This one also curve, upward curve and downward curve. Okay, you have to give this type of curves to the toddler so that they can practice in their home. The next one, what is it? You have to this is what, this is the fine motor skill practice. What is it? First you have to draw. Please see the worksheet properly. What you have to do, you have to do first like this line, dotted line, then this is square, circle, this two are slanting line, this middle one is standing line, this is squares, and this is one cheek, this is one curve, out curve, this is and outside curve, right? This one is zigzag. Okay, you have to give them this type of practice sheet to the toddlers so that if they can use this one properly, you have the idea that how they can grasp the pencil. So first they have the capability to hold the pencil properly. After that they will write, they have the ability to write the alphabets, right? So first you don't give the alphabets or the numbers to the students. First you have to give this one like this. So if they will get good enough to draw this line properly, so you can give the numbers, you can give the alphabets to the students. See, like that, this is the shapes. Also you can give like that. So this is the circle. Circle also I mentioned like dotted, right? Then this is the squares. This is the triangles. This one is the rectangles. Like that you can give them. The last one today what I will discuss about the numbers. See if they can see this one, if you can, then if you can tell them this is the numbers, this is number 1, and you have to draw pencil or whatever number 1 you can draw, and by the picture it is easy to understand the toddlers. So whenever you give the idea about the numbers to the kids, you have to draw one picture definitely by the numbers. See, here is the 2. So I have drawn the 2 pencils. See, this is the, you can first tell them number 1. How I will write number 1? The standing line. If the toddlers they practice before how the standing line, so they can easily understand how I will write number 1. See, second is number 2. This is also one curve. If they will do this curve, they can easily understand the numbers also. So this type of curves, lines, they have to do properly before you have to teach them alphabets and the numbers. See, this is the another one lines I have drawn. This is called mountain. You have to give them according this one. After all this line and this one are the same lines. Here I have not enough page here, so I wrote this page, this one and this one also. So after this finish this one, you can give this to toddlers like that. For A to Z you have to write first like the dotted, then you tell them to trace it. I think they can understand it easily. So this is, I hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please watch my video. If you like it, give thumbs up. If you don't like, also tell me. And please keep your valuable comments so that I will rectify myself. Thank you.